inside the mystery booms are other unidentified strange noises that I've been documenting. Here is an interesting MUFON case file from Avocado, California that might add to the evidence that UFOs are causing USNs, specifically the roaring sounds, booms and loud siren-like sounds. This was submitted December 17, 2015, case 73199, quote, at approximately 5 a.m. on the morning of December 16, 2015, I happened to wake up in bed feeling nausea. After a couple of minutes later I heard this loud amplified jet-like sound radiating inside of our house. It was so loud that my mother woke up terrified of the sound, shouting to my uncle across the house to wake up because of this extremely loud machine, hydraulic truck-like sound radiating inside of our house. Now, when I heard my mom, I replied by telling her it was a street sweeper truck outside. She then went downstairs while this horrifying sound was still occurring to check outside of the house, and while she opened the door she reported that the sound was entirely gone. Now, at this time around 5 a.m. it is unlikely for our neighborhood street sweep to clean early in the morning. They come on the second or third week of each between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. And if it was a truck outside, it is impossible to sound that loud inside of our house. No one was outside at that time, as my mom reported. Later that morning I didn't think about it, and nor did my mom until later that afternoon. With it rang a bell in my mind that whatever happened that early morning was bizarre and unusual. I started to add the pieces together and I came to a conclusion that I was under the control of the aliens. That they made me believe it was a street sweeper outside when there was no such thing during that time of 4:45 a.m. to 5 a.m. on December 16, 2015. I also believe that the heavy machinery-like sound that occurred inside of my house for 3 minutes was actually their flying saucer. It was partially entering our house, and as my uncle being an alien abductee, he confirmed when I explained the sound to him that he said their flying saucer was inside of our house. Now, when my mom tried to wake him up, he couldn't wake up and fell right back asleep. My mother and I witnessed this amplified sound inside of our house, then after a few minutes it was gone and the house became silent. End quote. I don't believe everything this person says. People will tend to exaggerate the original experience or simply forget the details. But it does seem like they heard something unusual that fit to my hypothesis that UFOs could be causing USNs. There is a possibility that my family could be hearing the roaring USNs. So far, 2 of my family members said they heard what sounded like a low-flying jet plane over the house at 3 a.m. that lasted 4 minutes or so. So far they said it's only happened 2 times while I was at college. I'll keep you updated. It's been a while since I found a roaring USN video, but it seems the USN may be changing to more of a siren-like sounds. If this is the case, then it shows that these UFOs are intentionally doing that to affect us psychologically through the use of the internet.